Hey, in this video, I will show you how to do the inspirational quotes TikTok trend. It's actually a very simple video. I'm not going to complicate it. I'll only take 1 or 2 minutes of your time, and it works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Before we start, give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to hit 100k by the end of the year. So smash the subscribe button right now. Comment down below if you have any questions around this video, or if you want us to cover another video, another topic. We'll try to make a video on that within the next week. So what you want to do is first find a lame quote, or an inspirational quote. I rather do it the ironic way. So I went on google.com, lame motivation quotes, for example, stupidity, the ability to leap without looking. So all you gotta do is just save that quote by clicking save image, or just screenshot it if you can save that. And now you go on TikTok, click the plus icon, and click on effects, click on green screen, and click on this. So now you can do the trend. It's so cool. It's very simple, as I promised. If this video helped you out, all you gotta do is smash the like button. And we're actually uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week. So if you have any questions around this video, comment them down below. We try to get back to all of them ASAP. And if you're one of the committed people that watch the video all the way until the end, I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.